Hello, you're welcome to this challenge 3 of this series on DevOps engineering challenges and systems administration. So, what we're doing is a workshop. So, this challenge 3 is about how to prevent logging in directly to your root user via SSH. So, this question says, following recent security audit, the server used by Speed of Technology team must comply with a new policy, and the policy is that direct SSH login as root must be disabled. However, the privileged users can still gain root access through sudo. So we're going to be, let me start this by first using our Kali Linux. So we first put up this with our Kali Linux server. So then we do the AWS Ubuntu, EC2 Ubuntu. So the first thing is you have to know where that file is. So the file that allows this permission is actually found under this folder. There's so under the SSH folder, and the name of the file is sshd underscore config. So this is the name of the file. So what I want to do now is to grab a particular keyword there so that we can know where the keyword we want to edit is permit. So I just want to grab permit and then show you. And I also want it to show me the line of code. So let me use sudo, then I'm going to cut that character out. Okay, let me put in my password for this. It says, okay, I think there's something I didn't do right. Okay, now I didn't spell my SSH right. I wrote SSHD. No, that's not correct. It's supposed to be SSH. Yeah, is it? So, all right. So this is the file we're working on is on line 33. So this permit root login is prohibited by what is written there. However, this line of code is not active. You can see the hash, so it has been commented out. So what I want to do is to uncomment it and make it active. Then I'm going to change that prohibit password to no, because that is actually what we want. So yeah, let me remove the grep, and then yeah, that's the file. And I'm going to use V for my edit. So then look for that line of code. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. So I've seen it already. So this. So let me first remove the hash, and now the line of code is active. Then I'm going to change this to no. So that is no. That means it's now working. Then I'm going to save. So I've saved. So for these changes or whatever changes you've made, let me first cut for yours to be sure that the changes are okay. You can see no. So the changes have been effected. But for it to be effective on this system, you need to restart your SSH file. So to do that, you need to do sudo systemctl, then you restart. So what I want to restart is my SSH. So yeah, that has been done. So now that it has restarted, now you're good to go. So, and to confirm that this user still has a root privilege permission, I just need to do sudo -i, then who am I? It should show. Okay, now I didn't do that. I used -l instead of I. I'm supposed to use I, not L. So it should show root. Yeah, root. That means this user still has permission to the root privileges, so it can use sudo. So that is that for the Kali Linux. So let's try it the same thing. Let's quickly do the same thing on our EC2 server. This is my AWS EC2 server, and this is we are using Ubuntu. So let me check for the same file here. So it's the same thing. Let me just sudo then slash etc, sorry, etc slash ssh slash sshd underscore config. So let's look for that file, and then let's grep it and then see that we have the. So I'm looking for the word permit. So let me just type permit, and then I want it to show me the number, the line of code. So it's actually on line 42. You can see the same thing. So we are going to edit this line. Let me clear my screen. So I'm just going to, let me just change that same code and then go edit the file. It's the same way. So we're going to, okay, instead of cat, I'm just going to use V for my edit. Then look for the line of code that I need to work with. And I'll edit it. I'm into it. Yeah, that's it. So let me just edit that line. Then I remove this. Make it no. So I want to do is to make it new and then activate that line of code by removing the hash. Yeah, that's it. So once I'm done, sorry. All right. So I've saved and I've edited after saving. So now I'm good to go. So the next thing I just want to do is to restart it, which is the same thing, sudo system ctl, and this is the ctl, then we will start. Then what I want to start is my SSH. Yeah, so I've restarted it, so it's all doing well now. And to confirm if this Ubuntu still has permission for root user, let me just do mine, and then it should show root. Sorry, there's something now I keep using L instead of I. That's not correct. So it's supposed to be I. Yeah. Oh, sorry, sudo. I'm supposed to write sudo, not sudo. So two things were not correct there. Yeah, so now it's showing me root. So that means this Ubuntu still has root user privilege. So that's it for this very video. So I'm going to see you in the next video, and we'll be treating another question entirely. And if you want to join my DevOps engineering training, you can always reach out to me on my LinkedIn profile. My name is Damilare Odilesi. I'll see you in the next challenge. Thank you for keeping up. This is just the beginning. There are a number of workshops we're still going to do under this series. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.